Hello and welcome to the course Content Management System in PHP. In this video, I'll take you through the demo of our blog application. This is a blog homepage and it will display all the articles and comments, read more link, posted on date and posted by author name and article image. All these articles will be displayed and with the formatting. For that I have added a WYSIWYG editor and pagination for these blog pages and category pages. Here you can see these are clean URLs and a category HTML, and if it's a category PHP you can see the URL and these articles. Here I am on home page. Here is a search widget, category widget and a recent articles widget, pages widget and HTML widget. All these widgets are dynamic widgets, and here is a page, about page and HTML widgets and a login blog. These are all dynamic widgets from backend. You can enable and disable them. Here I am on home page, and if I click on read more link, here I am on this page and users can post comments. Only logged in users can post comments. These are the comments by admin, editor. These are different stylings, and test is a subscriber user role. Here I am logging in with the test user role. Here I am logging in as a test. Here I am logged in. Here you can see hi test, that's a username, and logged in as a subscriber, that's a user's role. Here we have three user roles: subscriber, editor and administrator. We will go into that later. Here I am going to post a comment on this first article from blog index page. I am publishing it as new comment by subscriber. After submitting, it won't be published, it will be submitted to the blog, and admin user can publish or unpublish this comment. Here I log into admin area. Here this comment is submitted. You can see the notification, and I am logging in as editor. If I submit a wrong login credentials, here I am on this page and I'll submit the correct login credentials for editor. Here this is the editor role, and you can see the admin dashboard differences for editor and admin while I am logged in as admin. Here if I go to blog homepage, here you can see here is first name and last name concatenated, logged in as editor. This is a dashboard for editor. Editor can see the comments, but he won't have access to. This is a new comment published by subscriber for this article, and the timestamp and the operations. Editor won't have access to this comment operations. He can just access the comments. And here is a WYSIWYG editor for add article, add pages. I am going to add an article with this editor user role, article by editor. Only articles published by editor can access and edit them. Article by editor, and I am formatting it in just a bold text, selecting these two categories and a featured image. Editor won't be able to access admin articles or pages. Access, here this is a published, and this slug will be created from the title. If I go to blog homepage, here you can see article by editor, and this is a user published this article, that's editor, and here this user is administrator. Editor is different username and admin is different username. Here I will log in as admin so that you can see the differences for editor and admin. Subscriber only can comment by logging in. Okay, I am logging in as admin. If I enter wrong login credentials, I will be redirected to admin login page. I am using only one login page for our entire blog. Based on that, I am enabling the user to log in. You can learn about that while going through the course. Here I am submitting my correct login credentials. Okay, here is the correct password. I am logged in. Here is a view categories and view articles by all the users. Here a pagination for view articles and pages. Author is WYSIWYG and comments. Here you can see the operations. I am uploading this comment. If I go to blog homepage, now I should see this comment. I am logged in as administrator. Here you can see 5 comments for this article. If I click on read more, I should see the new comment published by subscriber. submitted by subscriber, new comment by subscriber, and the username is test. That's it. And here you can see the options for administrator, only available for administrator. Administrator can view users, add users, and articles based on user roles and users. Widgets, these are the widgets in our blog. Only admin can add and edit these widgets. These are the widget types. And a site settings, this is a site title and a site tagline, results per page, and a user registration. I am going to update these 3 options. We should see the differences. Here this is a blog homepage and a tagline, and I am counting these articles. These are 5 articles. After submitting this, we should see only 4 articles, and the title also should be updated. Here you can see title and tagline updated, 1, 2, 3 and 4 articles on home page. And if I go to the second page, we should see the rest of the articles. Here in this content management system, you can add users, new users, only admin can add users. Subscriber and editor only have limited access for accessing our content management system, and after login, user will know what's the role user is logged in as. Here you can see these are the clean URLs, and if we go to this article by editor, you can see the URL. It's a clean URL, automatically it's created, and you will learn about all these and category links, article links, all of this. Take action and join the course.